The Tapo RV30 litter navigation robot vacuum and mop is a smart home device designed for efficient cleaning. It features advanced litter navigation, ensuring precise mapping and systematic cleaning of your home. This robot vacuum can sweep, vacuum, and mop, making it versatile for various floor types. Benefits include time-saving automation, thorough cleaning even in hard-to-reach areas, and the convenience of controlling it via a mobile app. Ideal for busy households, pet owners, and anyone looking to maintain a clean home with minimal effort. The Tapo RV30 simplifies home cleaning and maintenance. Alpha Capital Security Systems LLC. We offer and install the Tapo RV30. You can contact us on +971 55 408 4213 or visit our website for more information.